We are pleased to present Mishima Foods Norikomi Furikake. Furikake is a unique Japanese seasoning, revered and popularized for its ability to elevate simple rice dishes into something spectacular. While it is delicious sprinkled on a bowl of freshly cooked rice, Mishima's Norikomi Furikake is truly a multi-purpose seasoning that can give your food new dimensions of flavor and even transform bland, tired recipes into new favorites. Roasted sesame seeds provide a nutty crunch, and the flavor can be described as a little salty, a little sweet, with an essence of seaweed that adds a burst of umami flavor to everything it touches. This versatile seasoning is perfect for enhancing entrees, side dishes, and even some desserts. It is exceptional on grilled salmon, corn on the cob, potato salad, toast, or sprinkled on popcorn, sushi, or salads. Mishima's Norikomi Furikake was created in Japan with the utmost care from authentic ingredients. We are honored to bring it to your home here in the United States.